Welcome to the Love for Rice channel. I hope you enjoy this simple cumin rice recipe. You will need 1 cup of washed white rice, long or short grain, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon oil or butter of choice, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of salt. This will make approximately 2 large serving sizes with 120 calories per serving. You may be able to serve another person if accompanied by a side dish. Once the ingredients are gathered, heat your pan on medium to high heat. Add your oil or butter. Once heated, add your cumin seeds. Be careful they do not burn. After the cumin seeds become a little darker, carefully add the rest of your ingredients. Mix your ingredients and let them sit until they have reached a boiling point. Set the heat to low and place a lid on your pan. Let your rice cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes until there is no water left. Turn off the stove and set your pan aside for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Leaving the lid on will let the rice cook more thoroughly. Your dish is now ready to serve and is a good source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe my channel.